Hey, it's Russell from Millboard, back in the workshop. Today I've got a little project on. We're going to be putting Millboard's touch-up spray and coloured sealant to use on a small fun project. Actually going to make a bird box. Now it's built entirely from scraps, offcuts. It just so happens that all my offcuts are the same colour, but you could do it out of all sorts of different colours, make it funky, it's up to you. Idea is simple. We've got the front, we've got two sides like this. Now I have rebated them. You don't have to rebate them, you could just button them up together. I've done it just because I think it looks nicer. We've got the back and then we've got the top with a little flap to go in the bottom so that it can be cleaned out at the end of the season. Now, as you can see, every single one of these cut pieces has an exposed lighter core to it, which will need the touch-up spray on it because those could potentially change colour, go darker, slightly yellow later on. So we're going to use the coloured spray to coat all those faces. Now we've got our back and we're going to put our two sides. We're going to fix these together like this with the Durafix screws. So I've got some 35 mils. You could use the 45s or even the 60s. Don't forget to make sure the screws are coated in silicone spray so that when you go through the sides or through the face material, it hides better. Now, once the face is on like that, we're going to use a bit of adhesive on there. It's all square and straight. We'll be using our little hatch. Now I have cut it with a slight angle because we are going to hinge it with two screws and we want it to open and close like that. So that will go down inside there, and then we're going to put two 35mm Durafix screws in the side to allow the base to open and close. So now the roof, that roof, again, I've cut a little angle on it. I've cut a little rebate on here, and that will go into there like that. And the idea is then the water, if it gets on top, will run down the front. It's not going to get into there, but we will put some adhesive there and also some adhesive along the top here to seal it so that the little birds will keep nice and dry. Two jobs product is designed for: touch up for the ends of the boards and the coloured sealant to seal everything up and bond it all together. There you are, folks, a couple of blue tip bird boxes. You can find the dimensions for these in the description below. Now, these have been made from offcuts left over from any project. Finished with the touch-up spray on your raw edges and sealed together and held together with the coloured sealant adhesive. Now, we're going to be uploading useful videos every week, so please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.